Hey,
How are you using essential oils this season to help you celebrate?
we have a really awesome diffuser blend that you can use this month, and we'll show you how to make it.
It's called Gift, and it's a great way to celebrate the gift of this season.
From your recipe box, you are going to want to grab your Gift Diffuser Blend recipe.
Labels, and we're going to use all the oils in this month's box.
From your big bonus box, you're going to want to grab a 5 milliliter bottle. And from your house, you're going to want to grab a diffuser.
We recommend trying out a new diffuser blend in your diffuser, and if you love it, make a master blend with it, and we'll show you how to do both of those. So first, we're going to open our diffuser. We have it filled with water to its allotted line, and we're going to add 3 drops of candy cane,
2 drops of winter spice,
2 drops of lime,
and 1 drop of cassia.
diffuse it, smell it, and if you love it, make a master blend with your 5 milliliter bottle. So we just remove our dropper cap and add 40 drops of candy cane,
24 drops of winter spice, and then 24 drops of lime, and then 12 drops of cassia. And don't forget your label.
Then you can keep your master blend to help you celebrate the season or give it as a gift.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com and hit that subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.
See you later. From your big bonus box, you're going to want to grab a 5 milliliter bottle. Oh my gosh, bottle to make a diffuser blend.